What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of starting without blocks and block blast. Whether you're a beginner looking to dive into gameplay or an experienced player wanting to explore new strategies, this step-by-step guide will help you get started without any blocks on your screen. Actually, this feature is not available right now, maybe in the near future, because even though you try different modes and block blast, like adventure mode or classic mode, as you can see on the screen, both of them do not have the blockless blocks. As of now, all you have to do is enjoy playing Block Blast while the blockless blocks feature is not available. Still, even though this game does not have the blockless blocks feature, this game is still on #1 top chart in the Google Play Store. It even beats Mobile Legends Bang Bang in the top charts because most players are having fun playing this game. Starting without blocks and Black Blast can be an exciting challenge that encourages creativity and strategic thinking, but it's not available right now. By understanding the game mechanics, familiarizing yourself with controls, and developing innovative strategies, you can enhance your gameplay experience, explore the game world, interact with your environment, and most importantly, have fun. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.